Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. So guys, today we're gonna do our weekly skincare routine, and this routine is something that I have been doing since I had started my content creation journey. And this is something that I am doing on weekly basis, like without any fail, because I use a lot of makeup and other products, and to get rid of all those blackheads, whiteheads, dead skin cells, and a lot of other things, I need this weekly routine for sure. So today we're gonna do this routine together, and I'm gonna show you all the products that I use. And I guess without further ado, we should get started with our work. I start off by tying my hair up into a cute little bun, followed with this cute bow hairband. I always start off with shaving my face, so for that I use a gel based moisturizer and apply it all over my face. So I usually start off my shaving from my forehead, and after that I do my cheeks and then my lips. And let me tell you guys, it's a myth that face shaving is bad, or people say that it will increase your hair growth, but it's nothing like that. I have been doing this since 6 months and I have no complaints. There's no thick hair growth and there's no increase in my hair growth on my face, so it's a complete lie. So after shaving, I just use a face cleanser. This is a oil cleanser from the brand called Conscious Chemist, and I use it to clean off all the dirt and residue from my face. Post which I use a scrubber, and this one is from the brand called Placenta. I have recently started using this scrub, but I really like the formulation and the granules of the scrub. It just completely removes all the dead skin cell from my skin, and I just believe that exfoliation enhances the absorption of our skincare products. So I just make sure that I do this activity weekly or after 10 to 12 days. After that, I take some hot water and dip in a facial towel, and then I keep it on my face for around 30 to 40 seconds so that it opens my pores and detoxifies my skin by flushing out all the toxins and the impurities from my pores. Next, I use this electric blackhead remover to remove all the unclogged pores, whiteheads, blackheads, and all the impurities from my pores. Next, I use this face mask by the brand called Earth Rhythm, and it's their Pour Out face mask, which is enriched with pumpkin and glycolic acid, which helps to even out my skin tone and gives me a brightening effect. And also, after exfoliation, the skin is primed to receive the benefit of the face mask. So that's why I always make sure to go with something that makes my skin cleaner, brighter, and more radiant. I keep this mask for around 4 to 5 minutes, and then I clean it off completely using a facial pad, and then I wash it off using normal water. And lastly, I do my skincare routine, which includes hyaluronic acid so as to give me a boost of hydration. And after that, I use a snail mucin from the brand called Cox, and this is a very nice snail mucin. I just love this one. So yeah, that was it for my skincare routine. So guys, that was it for my today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. So if you like such kind of videos, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and like this video, and we'll meet again in the next video with more summer related content. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.